fifth grade cello players. We're working through our Sound Innovations book, and we are on numbers 15 through 18 today. It's concentrating on the time signature of 3/4, meaning 3 beats in a measure, and then the G string notes, or the G major scale notes. So remember, it's open G, first finger A, third finger B, fourth finger C, and then it goes all the way over to the D string notes. All right, let's try it. Number 15 with the recording.
3/4 time signature.
Remember, the dotted half note is a half note with a dot next to it, and it equals 3 beats. Going on, let's do number 16, which is our G major scale.
G major scale.
Again, you can always slow it down to the different speeds. So let's try slowing it down a little bit. Number 16, just a little slower.
G major scale.
And let's go on. Let's do number 17, which is called Grasshopper's Waltz. Remember, there are slurs and staccatos in this one. And there's also a DC alphinae, meaning that you gotta go back to the beginning and play it again. Here we go, number 17.
Grasshopper waltz.
Hopefully you caught the DC alphinae, which again means in Italian to go back to the beginning, and play till fine, which means end. All right, and then number 18, which is Pop Goes the Weasel. Pretty sure you'll recognize this song. And also, again, it has a pickup note first, meaning there's one note before the whole first measure. And again, it can be more than one note. It could be a couple of notes for pickup notes, but in this case, it is one note. Here you go, number 18.
Pop goes the weasel.
I think that one's pretty fun, but it's actually a little tricky, so maybe we should do it at the slow tempo too. So let's try it. I'll change the speed. All right, one more time. Pop Goes the Weasel, a little on the slower side.
Pop goes the weasel.
Hope that helps with your practicing, fifth grade cello players. Remember, again, you can adjust the speed to go faster or slower with the soundtrack, or you can just play along with me or watch to get the idea. Hope this helps with your practicing. Bye.